Welcome to Get Cooking in Cloud, where we share the best recipes to apply in your cloud kitchen. I am Priyanka Vergadia, and in this episode, we will talk about creating websites on Google Cloud. If your business revenue and customer satisfaction depends on the availability and scalability of your website, then you are at the right place. In this episode, we will present 4 reference architectures that let you scale small or go large depending on your needs. So let's dive in. At a high level, there are 4 different recipes to build websites. Depending on where you are in your cloud journey, your business needs, and the maturity of the development and infrastructure teams, one of these will fit your needs. Let's see how. Static websites are a good option for sites like blogs, where the page rarely changes after it has been published, or where there isn't any dynamically generated content. All you need to set up a static website on Google Cloud is Google Cloud Storage Bucket connected to your domain name, and that's it. Pretty easy, right? Now, as your business starts to mature and customers are interested in buying things from your website, you might need to generate dynamic content and maybe enable payments. But if your company is still small, maybe you want to be able to grow your website without worrying about scaling it based on the increase in demand. In such a scenario, we recommend that you use Google Cloud's managed and serverless offerings like App Engine or Cloud Run. So you can focus on delivering features and let Google worry about operating and managing the infrastructure. This recipe provides a wide range of features that make scalability, load balancing, logging, monitoring, and security much easier than if you had to build and manage the website yourself. For example, when you use Cloud Run, you can code in any programming language because your application is deployed as a container, and Google will seamlessly launch and scale your application for you. So give it a try. Now, for websites with higher complexity, you probably want more options and control than a managed platform offers. Whether it's configuring your servers or virtual machines, or if it's a need for a specific memory, SSDs, and GPUs, we recommend this third recipe, Compute Engine. Compute Engine provides a robust computing infrastructure, but you must choose and configure the platform components that you want to use. Well, Google ensures that resources are available, reliable, and easy to use, but it's up to you to provision and manage them. The advantage here is that you have complete control of the systems and unlimited flexibility. The easiest way to deploy a complete web serving stack on Compute Engine is by using Google Cloud Marketplace. With just a few clicks, you can deploy any of the over 100 fully realized solutions. For a more detailed explanation on how to set up Compute Engine to serve scalable and resilient websites, stay tuned for upcoming episodes. Finally, for a larger business with more developers and more complicated problems, we recommend you use this 4th recipe and containerize your applications. You will notice that it becomes really hard to manage feature rollouts if the website is one big monolith, which makes it difficult to keep up with the increase in demand and pace of business. Containerizing web application provides 4 key advantages. First is componentization. As your app's design becomes more complex, containers are a good fit for a service-oriented architecture, including microservices. This supports scalability. Second is portability. A container has everything it needs to run. Your app and its dependencies are bundled together. This facilitates the portability and fixes the "it works on my machine" problem that many developers have. The third is rapid deployments. When it's time to deploy, your system is built from a set of definitions and images, so the parts can be deployed quickly, reliably, and automatically. Compared to virtual machines, containers are typically smaller and deploy much quicker. Using container to deploy web apps on GKE has further advantages because 1, container orchestration is built in. 2, Google Cloud offers Container Registry, which is a private storage for container images. And 3, you can easily use the other components of Google Cloud Platform in your architecture. Using this container-based recipe makes sense if you have a complicated website with multiple different moving pieces, which are better off in separate services for easy management. That's all for today on Get Cooking in Cloud. Whether you're a small blogger looking to grow your community or a huge multi-scale e-commerce site, hopefully you've cooked up something great. Join us next time because we will share the recipe to host a static website on Google Cloud. If you would like to see more such content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.